Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am,
let's
visible.
revise what we did yesterday. Okay, who's going to tell me what did we do yesterday? Just unmute your mic and quickly let me know what points you remember from your side. Or if you want to write in the chat box, it's okay. What were the topics that we covered? Just quickly let me know. Okay, primary goals of security. Those were confidentiality, availability, and integrity. Yes. Then the secondary goals were, who's quickly going to tell me the secondary goals? Okay, Samir, authentication. कोई बोल रहा है, बोलिए. साथ.
Authorization.
आवाज कट रही है आपकी. बोलेंगे वापस से.
Hello.
Yes, yes, you're audible now.
Okay. Privacy, non-repudiation,
Yes.
authorization, and authentication.
Yes, very good. Okay, what is privacy? Who's going to quickly tell me? Privacy. What is privacy?
No other party should access the data. Third party,
Uh,
I mean.
okay, your data should not be available
People
to
for
people. Okay, those who don't have access to it. Okay, any third party is a good example. Okay, protecting a personal data from the third person. Okay, और authentication authorization का मतलब क्या था, कोई बताएगा?
Authentication is to check whether the person is legit or not and allowing them
Yes.
access.
Okay.
Or
Verifying the originality. Okay. और
Confident. Sorry. Authorization is the thing which only entitles to the person who's authorized to see that confidential data or something.
okay, authorization means the access rights that are present for a particular user. Okay, I'll give you example like in a banking system. If you are the manager, you are allowed to see the data of the entire processing of the bank. Okay, what transactions are happening, what are the money coming in the bank, going out of the bank, and who are the users, customers of the bank. Okay, all those things are made available to the manager of the bank. Okay, a particular branch. But when we talk about a clerk or suppose somebody on a more lower level like a peon. Okay, should he be able to see the transaction that is happening, what is the money coming in, money going out? He shouldn't be able to see. Okay, and the clerk, if he's a what you can say, a teller. Okay, so he would know that how much cash is coming in. Okay, but if the person is dealing with some documentation part, just accepting the forms and making accounts in the bank, then he has to have a different access right. Not everything should be made available to everybody. Okay, so that is authorization. And authentication means that one person, whether he is legit and he is allowed in the system or not allowed in the system, is authentication. Okay, and authorization is after the person is authenticated, what are the rights of that person in the system, is authentication. Okay, sorry, authorization. Then non-repudiation. Somebody quickly let me know what is non-repudiation.
Ma'am, non-repudiation means that assurance that someone cannot deny something, like ensure the party, the contract communication cannot deny the authenticity of that signature or document.
Yes.
That
Okay. You
message is
cannot
conveyed.
deny. Abdullah wrote. You
Yes.
cannot deny the truth. Okay. Nobody, sender or the receiver, must be able to deny that they have not sent the data, or the receiver must not deny that they have not received the data. Okay. So both the parties should not deny the information that was sent or received. Okay, by them. So that is non-repudiation. Okay, the quick example that we saw yesterday was WhatsApp, right? Okay, if I'm messaging somebody from my WhatsApp number and you are receiving the message and I see the blue tick, that means that it's non-repudiation, that I am the sender. I cannot deny that I've sent the message, and you are the receiver. You have seen the message and you cannot deny that you have not got the message. Okay, then what did we do? The three terminologies that we saw was cyber, security, and law. Okay, what do you mean by cyber? That's something related to computer or anything digital. Okay, digital technology is cyber. Okay, then was security. Security means free from any kind of danger. Yes, Sahil, you're saying something. Tell.
हाँ मैम, लॉज रहते हैं to protect like citizens from like scams और वैसा
Okay,
protection.
laws. Okay, so laws are nothing but some rules and regulations set. Okay, and we should abide by them. And if somebody is not abiding by it, then they should be punished, or there should be a action taken against them. Okay, so there are laws are nothing but set of rules and regulations set by the governing body. Okay, if I say फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी कॉलेज का एक रूल क्या है कि रूल एंड लॉ में क्या डिफरेंस है, सी दैट. ओके, रूल मतलब अभी कॉलेज में दिस इज द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, कॉलेज में ये रूल है कि वी हैव टू यूज आर domain addresses, email addresses to log in into the meetings that we are the classrooms, the meetings that we are attending. Okay, but law is something, that is the legal aspect of the rulings are becoming the law. Okay, इसके बारे में डिटेल में we'll be studying later on when we study the laws. Okay, and somebody has written, okay, Siddesh has written, laws are constraints to keep users in order. Okay, yeah, correct, it is also correct. So these were the three terminologies. What else did we do? Quick. गोल्स किया था, और उसके
साइबर
बाद
स्पेस, साइबर स्पेस
यस मोहम्मद बोलो, क्या था साइबर स्पेस?
मतलब जैसे मैम इंटरनेट जो जो एनवायरनमेंट होता है ना, मतलब डिजिटल एनवायरनमेंट से कुछ
हाँ, the digital environment or the internet is called as a cyberspace. Okay, we also did cyber crime. Shazia Memon is saying, okay, what is cyber crime? Somebody who has not
Cybercrime.
answered. हाँ Shazia बोलो.
Cybercrime is a criminal activity that either target or uses a computer or a computer network.
Yes, very good. Cyber crime is something, okay, that is an illegal activity, or you can say unethical activity that happens. Okay, and it uses, it is a crime. Okay, crime, illegal activity को crime बोलेंगे, but when I'm doing it on my cyberspace, it's a cyber crime. Okay, use of computer network or internet, then it is a cyber crime. Okay, then Shreya is saying threat, risk, attack, vulnerability, and control. Shreya, you want to explain that? Hello? Or anybody else? Okay, mic is not working. Okay, it's okay, Shreya, no problem. Okay, others who haven't answered. Okay, otherwise I'll pick people directly.
Ma'am, vulnerability means holes in the security system. Like you give the example where a dam, there are cracks in the dam. So they are
Yes.
vulnerabilities.
Okay, very good. Vulnerabilities are nothing but the flaws in the system. Okay. Abdullah is saying threat is a set of circumstances that can lead to an attack. Okay, Abdullah, can you elaborate or give example of that?
Yes,
Danish?
ma'am.
हाँ बोलो, Abdullah बोलो.
Ma'am, yes, yesterday you gave an example of a village when it is
नहीं,
raining.
तुम कोई अपना example दो, village को छोड़ दो. Okay, give your own examples quickly. कोई भी threat.
Yes, ma'am.
Thinking. Okay, think and then answer.
Yes,
In the meantime, Danish, you want to give example of vulnerability? Danish, are you there?
Open ports.
Okay, Ashar is saying open ports are the threats. Yes, very good. Vulnerability.
No antivirus.
sorry, open ports are the vulnerabilities. Okay, threat क्या हो गया?
Something that can exploit the flaw or the
हाँ, okay.
vulnerability.
हाँ, example चाहिए मेरे को computer terms का.
Open ports.
Thread
सब open
bugs
ports ही
in a
खोलने वाले
program.
हैं. Okay, that is bugs are
In
the
a program.
vulnerability.
Okay.
Okay, if somebody exploits, suppose तुम्हारे system में
No
कोई
password in the
backdoor
system.
devil, no password in the system. Okay, अगर तुम्हारे bugs का मतलब bugs या बोल सकते हो कि your system has certain backdoor. Okay, जो डेवलपर ने बनाया टेस्टिंग के पर्पस के लिए. ओके, तो दैट इज अ वल्नरेबिलिटी के इट माइट हैपन दैट somebody might enter through that particular backdoor. So entering through a backdoor becomes a threat, and if that happens, what things it could lead to? Okay, somebody might control your system. Somebody might control your system. That becomes a risk. Okay, and when the risk actually becomes a reality, okay, that's an attack. And how you will control that? You will put a password to a backdoor, or you will have a monitoring system. Okay, for that, or you will lock your door back doors so that no unauthorized person can enter it. Okay, so that is how you have control measures. You have encryption techniques to control it. Okay, so that's the control measure for this scenario. Okay, Hamza is saying is storing personal data like API keys. Yes, it's a vulnerability. Hamza,
क्या वो इमरान भाई बोल रहे हैं पैसे अपने अपने
फैसल कुछ बोल रहे हो, कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. Speak
नहीं मैं
louder.
नहीं बोल रहे नहीं कुछ.
तुम घर में बात कर रहे हो. ओके
हाँ
ओके, माइक ऑफ करके बात करो.
सॉरी मैम.
ओके, ठीक है. और फातिमा सिंह रिस्क when threat exploits vulnerabilities, okay, it becomes risk. Yes, Fatima, it's correct. Okay, leaving key on the bike, Ahmad, yes, it's a vulnerability. And somebody sees that key on the bike is a threat. Okay, and risk is that your bike can be stolen. Okay, हाँ, Ahmad कुछ बोल रहे हो?
No, I'm just saying that
Hello?
the bike that gets stolen is the threat.
Can you speak a bit louder because your voice is not audible at all?
The bike that gets stolen is the threat. Someone.
Yeah. Yes. Bike getting stolen is a somebody seeing the bike, the key on the bike is a threat, and bike getting stolen is a risk. Okay, and if suppose somebody actually steals the bike, that becomes a attack. Okay, and control measure हो सकता है कि you have a surveillance somewhere, so you might see कि who is actually stealing your bike. One that is after the attack happens. Before the attack happens, you keep yourself attentive so that you don't leave the keys in the bike. Okay, that is a preventive measure. Okay, and और क्या हो सकता है? हाँ, tracking your bike is a control measure. Okay, where actually it is right now. That is also a control measure. Okay, in flight cabin, it is. Can Arbaz, can you just explain this? What you are talking about? If flight cabin, something you have written, can you explain?
मैम व्हेन मतलब जब फ्लाइट केबिन मतलब डोर किसी को भी एक्सेसिबल हो जाएगा तो फिर मतलब कोई भी इजीली
अच्छा,
घुस के
कॉकपिट की
हैक
बात
कर
कर.
सकता है. हाँ
Okay, हाँ. Okay. That okay, that's correct. Okay, Ashar, no need to do that. Okay, stop it. Okay, so we did threat, attack, vulnerabilities, and controls. Okay, you have understood these things. Okay, threat is that computer can be compromised with a malware. Sadiq Beg. Okay, threat, computer virus can attack your system, becomes a risk. Okay, if your system doesn't have an antivirus program, that's a vulnerability. Okay, threat is where a malware can compromise your system, is a threat. Okay, that it can be attacking your system, that's a risk. And if it is attacked, then it's a attack. Okay, and then you scan your system to remove the virus. or you use your command line to scan for the virus program files, okay, that is a control measure. Okay, so I hope all these points are clear. Then we did something known as computer can be used as a target or a tool, right? Okay, what do you mean by that, target or a tool? अगर मैं कंप्यूटर को या मेरे डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजीज एंड डिवाइसेस को यूज कर रही हूँ कोई अटैक करने के लिए, ओके, दैट इज अ टूल. ओके, एंड इफ आई एम यूजिंग समबडी एल्स, ओके, किसी और को मोहरा बना के इफ आई एम यूजिंग दैट्स अ टारगेट. Okay, so remember these two terminologies as well. Okay, now we start with the new points.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I had a doubt. Is online trolling? It's known as cyberbullying, right?
Yes.
So
we
does
are
that
going to हाँ बोलो.
does that come under cyber crime? Is it a crime to troll somebody online?
मैं बताती हूँ, मैं उस पे ही आ रही हूँ. अभी वो आएगा आगे के टॉपिक में, तो मैं उसको एकदम अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करूंगी. Yes, it is a crime. अभी के लिए ये समझ लो कि cyber trolling is a crime. You cannot actually troll people online because it comes under, you know, defamation as well. So you cannot troll people online. Okay, अगर हाँ दोस्तों में चल रहा है तो ठीक है, but you know, sometimes trolling leads to hate speeches and hate comments. So
Yes.
that leads to you know, more intense crimes, and then, you know, it also leads to people committing suicides, and also that's why it is you know, a crime. And we will be you know, understanding all those crimes today, so don't worry about it. I gave you a homework. Okay, अगर नहीं भी किया है, ठीक है, मैं पूछने वाली थी आज होमवर्क, बट आज मैं नहीं पूछूंगी. नेक्स्ट वेडनेसडे के लेक्चर में आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू फॉर योर होमवर्क, एंड वी विल कंप्लीट द क्राइम्स part today. Okay, so most probably we'll be completing, or half of it we could complete, because there is only 1 hour lecture. Okay, so let's start. My screen is visible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's start with the history of cyber crimes. Okay, the first recorded cyber crime that took place was in 1820. Okay, 1820 we are talking about, and you know, before that also, like 3,000 years before. Okay, that time also there were computing system known as abacus. Okay, that was the at that time that was a computing device. Okay, so even at that time there were you know, if somebody steals your abacus, that was a crime. So even 3,000 years back, okay, when abacus were being used, okay, that time also the crimes were committed. Okay, but there is no recorded entry of those crimes. Okay, but the first recorded crime, the cyber crime that was committed and it was recorded by the authorities, was in 1820. Okay, and you know, initially abacus was used in China, Japan, and India for computations, and after Charles Babbage's analytical engine, okay, the modern computer was invented. Okay, that analytical machine was known as the you know, modern era computer at that time. Okay, and it looked like this, something like this. Okay, I've put a picture also. Okay, then when we just a second, yeah, then in 1820 the crime that was committed, that I was talking about, was something related to a loom. Okay, loom सबको पता है क्या होता है? हेलो,
धागा बनाते हैं ना उसपे में.
Yes, handloom.
कपड़ा बनाते हैं ना,
कपड़ा बनाते हैं.
धागा उसमें लगा के कपड़ा बनाते हैं. ठीक है, जस्ट
धागे से ही बनता है.
क्या? Somebody saying something?
धागा यूज करके ही बनता है मैम वही.
हाँ, धागा यूज करके. It uses thread, but it is not used to make threads. Okay, because
Yes,
somebody
yes.
said, Sahil said that it is used to make threads, but it uses thread to make you know, cloth materials. Okay, so the handloom in the old times. Okay, we are talking about you know, 80s, 1800s. Okay, so 1800s में when you know, everything was manual, and the textiles were manual. Okay, and then there was this person, okay, Joseph Marie Jacquard. Okay, this person, okay, had a loom. Okay, that was a device. Okay, you can say at that time it was a device for creating, easing the work of the people, because prior to that everything was done handmade. Okay, they used to do it with hand, and then this kind of machinery came into picture, and their work was eased. Now, because the people at that time, the employees of Jacquard, felt that this particular machine would make them unemployed, what they did was they destroyed the machine. Okay, we are calling it a machine because at that time that was a kind of a machine for them. Okay, so they destroyed it. So that was a sabotage, kind of what you can say, attack that was done. Okay, crime that was committed was sabotage of so this was done just to discourage the person, that was Joseph Marie Jacquard, to not use that particular machine. Okay, so this was the first recorded crime that was committed, okay, under cyber crime history. Okay, at that time this was a cyber crime, because that time there was no internet facility, but this was some kind of a new device. So that was a crime that was committed on a device or a machine. That's why it was recorded as a cyber crime. Okay, then in 1976, okay, there was a first email spamming took place, okay, on ARPANET. Okay, ARPANET was Advanced Research Project Agency Network. That was the first kind of internet that used TCP/IP. Okay, it was a packet switching, what you can say, network, and a distributed network that was used. And on that, email spamming was done in 1976. That was the first email spamming that ever happened, okay, on the network or internet. Okay, and in 1982, okay, the first virus was installed on Apple computer. Okay, mostly the Apple II operating system. Okay, and it spread through floppy disk. Okay, I don't know, you might be knowing about floppy disk or not, but a floppy was also a storage device used in early 70s, 60s, 70s, and 80s. It was used. Okay, now it is nowhere used because the storage capability of the floppies were very less, and it took a lot of time for processing. So it is just just disappeared. But at that time, floppy was one of the medium of transferring. Like we use pen drives right now, and a phone to transfer data. At that time, floppies were used. Okay, so
Excuse me, मैम.
हाँ
मैम, ये वायरस मतलब वायरस क्रिएट कैसे हुआ है?
एक मिनट, आवाज
कंप्यूटर
आपकी नहीं आ रही है, क्या बोल रहे हो?
कंप्यूटर वायरस जो है वो क्रिएट कैसे हुआ है?
कंप्यूटर वायरस क्रिएट कैसे हुआ है? हेलो,
Yes.
ये पूछ रहे हो?
Yes.
Computer virus basically na, see, jab this guy, okay, when I'm talking about this particular guy, Rich Skrenta. Okay, this guy was a student of high school in 1982. Okay, and what he did in his summer vacation, okay, he wrote a program, a small program, okay, just for his, what you can say, he was very enthusiastic and he wrote a program. And what happened was he took that program and he ran on his system. Okay, and then he saw that this was a cloner and it was cloning itself. So just for mischief, he sent it to send the floppy to his friends, and it started replicating itself. Okay, because see, his intention was not to just what you can say, harm the system. He was just doing it because he was good at programming and he wanted to do something like that, so he did it. Okay, so this was the first ever kind of inventions in the form of a malware, you can say. Okay, this is the first time the malware was created. Okay, and a virus basically, अगर तुम बोलोगे ना virus कैसे create होता है, basically it's a computer program written in Java, C. Basically it's almost all the time written in script languages. Most of the time it is written in script languages, so that it is easily runnable on the system, or C language. and you can make a executable of that and run on your system or the other system. Okay, but it is highly recommended you don't do that, because once you there are a lot of softwares also available online who lets you create viruses, okay, just on click of buttons. But it is recommended that you don't do. If you're doing that, you install a virtual machine and you do it, so that your system is not harmed by that. Okay, hope I answered your question, Danish.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so ELK cloner was the first ever, virus that was created on Apple systems. Yes, coming to the matrix and the level of opportunity of the types of crimes. Okay, this is a matrix that we have. Okay, and now this matrix is divided into different offenses, you can say. Okay, integrity related, that is harmful trespass. Computer related, okay, that is acquisition or theft or deception. Then content related obscenity can be one of the category, and content related violence can be another category. Okay, so when we talk about cyber crime, okay, before the cyber crimes were committed, there were crimes happening. Okay, for example, stealing, bulgari, or you can say stalking, or any physical stalking I'm talking about. So these things actually used to happen. Okay, but with the invention of cyberspace and digital technologies, these crimes started to happen on the cyberspace. Okay, so the traditional crimes that happened, okay, there were more opportunities created for traditional crimes because of the cyberspace. Okay, so what were the crimes that were committed when just a second, guys. Yes, we are right now here. Okay, so the opportunities that were created for traditional crimes. Okay, first is for integrity. It's freaking and chipping. Okay, can anybody tell me what's freaking or fracking? Anybody? Hello, am I audible? Hello. हेलो
मैम आवाज आ रही है बट पता नहीं मैम।
अच्छा, फ्रैकिंग नहीं पता है किसी को? किसी को पता है?
हैकिंग।
हाँ, बेसिकली ना,
Hello?
you might, हेलो, हाँ, कोई बोल रहा है?
Yes, ma'am, I know. They
कौन?
can
ये
breaking
कौन
means
है?
especially to
हाँ, बोलो
मैम
बोलो,
मैं
समीर।
समीर। मैम वो टेलीकम्युनिकेशन हैक करते हैं
Yes,
फ्री कॉल्स के लिए।
telecommunication or telephone system. Okay, like
Phone system, yes, yes.
wiretapping, or recording the information through the phone calls or making phone calls. All these telephonic system से जो भी हम लोग illegal activities करते हैं, वो fracking होता है. Okay, and chipping is nothing but cloning your cards, or the chips is known as chipping. Okay, so these were happening. पहले भी होता था, फोन कॉल्स पे भी होता था, एंड लाइक वायर टैपिंग आई टोल्ड, ये होते थे. But because of the invention of cyberspace, these became more prominent on the cyberspace. Okay, and then computer related crimes that were committed were fraud, pyramid schemes. Do you know what is a fraud pyramid?
No.
ओके, कोई क्या था वो उसका नाम? सिटी लिमोजिन, यू नो सिटी लिमोजिन स्कैम? Okay, you don't know. So basically, city limousine scam was something like, there was this person. Okay, he started this company. Okay, city limousine, and every month you have to pay a certain amount of money to that company. So what he did, he created members. to this particular, that you people invest in my company and I will give you the profits every month or something like that. And people were doing that. People started, and then he said to those people that you bring more members to from your nodes. Okay, this is the person. Okay, उससे और लोग create हुए और उसके through और लोग create हुए. ठीक है. So
Cheat
this was
fund.
हाँ, you can say exit scam भी बोलते हैं इसको बहुत सारी जगहों पे. Okay, so basically they started creating pyramids. Okay, after this they created members, and then under them more members were created. So now what was happening over here is that these members who were getting investing in this particular business, okay, and what happened, achanak se this person, okay, disappeared. Now what happened? These people are just looking for where is the money gone. Okay, but they didn't get any money from it. It was all gone with that person, okay, who started that. So this is called as a pyramid, a scheme fraud. And even now you can see online also there are these kind of frauds that are happening. Okay, so this was one fraud. Just a second, okay, I'll erase it. Yes. Then the trading sexual materials. Okay, it is the obscenity content related obscenity. यहाँ पर basically like the pornographic sites or the pornographic materials that are spread across the it was before in the hard copy base, now it is on the websites. So it was a traditional crime that went online. Okay, it was present before also. Then content related to violence, okay, stalking, personal harassment, okay, defamation, these were happening in the traditional world also. But then because of the just a second, because of invention of cyberspace, it went online. Okay, then coming to the new opportunities, okay, that were created through the traditional crimes. Okay, यानी जो ये fracking था, chipping था, pyramid frauds थे, traditional trading sexual materials, or stalking and personal harassment, these were the traditional crimes that went online. Okay, but from these there were some crimes that were derived from these crimes. Okay, they were the new opportunities that were created for cyber criminals. Okay, and it did not have any boundaries related boundaries, because when you go online, okay, you don't have boundaries. Like for example, I can sit here and I can communicate with somebody in some other country. Okay, so there are no bounds, okay, for communication. So that and even on when you're on internet and you're anonymous, okay, nobody can track you back. Okay, there are ways to track you back, but it's just a saying that you will be anonymous on internet if you are not revealing your information, right? So new opportunities were created for the cyber criminals to commit more severe crimes. And the first one related to integrity is, okay, cracking, hacking, viruses or malwares or hacktivism. Okay, cracking and hacking तो आपको पता ही है कि entering somebody else's system, like fracking. Okay, you enter the telephonic system. Over here you are entering the computer network, or in a computer you are entering. So that is hacking or cracking. Okay, hacking is a what you can say, it's a gray word. Okay, gray word. And cracking is a what you can say, black word. Okay, black word मतलब जो crackers होते हैं ना, वो लोग more severe harm पहुंचाते हैं, और they are the most dangerous people because they don't have emotions, and they don't उनको अच्छे और बुरे में difference ही नहीं होता है. They are the people who will do anything for money. Okay, like the mafias or something like that. Okay, they are the mafias of your cyberspace, you can say. And the hackers are what, they work for organization. If they're paying for something, they'll work for them, okay, or normally they are just normal people working their daily routines, but अगर पैसा मिलेगा तो वो लोग भी कर सकते हैं ऐसे crimes, okay. Viruses or malwares, when we talk about, okay, they were because of the invention of cyberspace, viruses or the malwares were created, okay. पहले का जो term है, okay, there was only virus, okay. Later on the worms, trojans, rabbits, and what you can say, rootkits, and the bots were created, so the terminology changed and became malware, okay. Initially it was known as viruses only. Then hacktivism, okay. Anybody knows about hacktivism?
Anonymous group.
अच्छा हाँ, एनोनिमस कल ही बात किया था इसके बाद. जैसे एक्टिविस्ट ग्रुप होता है इन द रियल लाइफ, यू नो, देयर आर एक्टिविस्ट ग्रुप दैट वर्क फॉर समथिंग, ओके, किसी चीज के लिए. विजिलेंटी ग्रुप, यू माइट, यू नो, देयर आर विजिलेंटीज, तुम कभी सीरीज में देखते होगे, देयर आर विजिलेंटी हीरोज, Batman, then Arrow, or others, okay. So these are the vigilante people, okay. They work, you know, they are gray shaded, but they work for the betterment of the society, okay. But when I talk about hacktivist groups, okay, not all hacktivist groups work for the betterment of the society. There are few. Anonymous is the one who works for the betterment. They are against the ISI or you know, ISIS or different, you know, और कौन से terrorist
Child
groups
pornography.
हाँ, child pornography, all those they work against that, okay. Pedophiles का जो ये होता है, they work against that, okay. But there are you know, like Lizard Squad or the End Notes, okay. They are working for the terrorist groups, okay. They work for the terrorist group. So these are the people who are known as hacktivists, okay. And the terminology that we use is hacktivism. Now, when we talk about computer related you know, theft, deception, or acquisition, okay, then multiple large scale frauds and scams happen, okay. ये भी ऑनलाइन बहुत सारे स्कैम्स होते हैं, जैसे नाइजेरियन स्कैम है, एंड बहुत सारे डिफरेंट स्कैम्स हैं, ओके. नाइजेरियन वन इज द मोस्ट फेमस वन, ओके. देन द ट्रेड सीक्रेट थेफ्ट, ओके. एनीबडी नोज अबाउट ट्रेड सीक्रेट थेफ्ट? नो, ओके. सो जो कल शायद साहिल ने बोला था ना, कॉपीराइट का थेफ्ट करते हैं. तो बेसिकली व्हाट इज कॉपीराइटेड आइटम, ओके. इट इज समथिंग दैट हेल्प्स मी अर्न मनी, ओके. सपोज करो आई हैव रिटन अ बुक, okay. Now that book is written by me and I have taken a lot of effort to write that book, and I've copyrighted that book and I'm selling it, ओके. अभी किसी ने उसका सॉफ्ट कॉपी क्रिएट करके उसको ऑनलाइन बेचना चालू कर दिया या फ्री डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चालू कर दिया, ठीक है. तो हु इज गेटिंग अफेक्टेड बाय इट? मी, बिकॉज आई हैड वर्कड a lot for that. And what is happening over here is I am you know, I am at loss because of you know, online distribution of that, okay. वैसे ही ट्रेड सीक्रेट क्या होता है? सपोज करो there is a company who created medicine for this COVID situation, ठीक है. Now they have worked so much, they have done the human trials and all the different kind of trials, and now they have come up with a medicine that is, you know, proven to be of success. Now some you know, attacker hacks their system and gets that particular components, okay, and the composition of that particular medicine, and he sells it on the black market to some other company, ठीक है. सो दैट इज नोन एज अ ट्रेड सीक्रेट थेफ्ट. उनका वो ट्रेड सीक्रेट था जिसको उसने बेच दिया चोरी करके, ठीक है. तो दैट्स ट्रेड सीक्रेट थेफ्ट, ओके. एंड देन कम्स द आईडी थेफ्ट. आईडी थेफ्ट इज नथिंग बट द impersonation, okay. It could be ID theft, could be, you know, impersonation of your IP, your MAC address, or your even using your username, okay. It can be that. So somebody is stealing your identification and using it for their own purposes, okay. That is ID theft, okay. Then coming to content related with obscenity, okay. There are you know, online gender trades, okay, that happens online. Basically you know, I was just reading across and I came to know that there was this particular Wayfair company. Okay, this company, okay, sells furnitures and everything, pillows and everything for the household items. And there are pillows, or there are cupboards, okay, named like Sara,
With the name
Samara.
of missing persons. Yes.
Yes, missing persons. Okay, and these missing people are there, and their names are written over there, and the cupboard or the pillow is of $1 million, or lakh rupees, something like that. So basically what they're doing is they are trading online. Actually, that is also what you can say, human trafficking that is happening online. Okay, the missing people are taken in, and they are being sold online. Okay, mostly they are the teens or the children. Okay, then secretly capturing girls on cameras. Okay, sometimes back, I have already discussed, I suppose, with the computer students about this, that once there was this girl. Okay, she used to live in a one room house. Okay, she has rented. And there was this person who got access to her computer. Okay, and her camera was always on, and she didn't know about that. And all whatever she used to do, okay, everything was recorded and put on a pornographic website, or girl cam websites. So because when she came to know about it, she committed suicide. Okay, so there are that's why you might have seen this post, that Mark Zuckerberg always puts a sellotape or a tape on his camera, and blocks his microphone, your computer microphone. Why is it so? Because your whatever you talk, or whatever you're doing, somebody might be watching you. So that could also be for some people it could be, mostly for girls it is very much hazardous. So that's why you should keep a check of that. Okay, always. Then coming to content related to violence. Okay, the child abuse or generally hate speech, okay, are something that are done to inculcate hatred. And mostly this child abuse thing happens by the pedophiles, or the group of pedophiles that are online. Okay, they do this, or child pornography comes under this also. Okay, then coming to the new opportunities for new types of crimes. Okay, these are the new opportunities that are created. Okay, and they didn't exist in the traditional methodology. They're the new opportunities that were created. Example for the integrity related one is denial of service. Okay, denial of service is nothing but a attack that happens on websites, so that the website is down, and you are not made available of the resources. Okay, once there was a Reliance का कुछ problem हो गया था, उनके system attack हो गए थे long back. Okay, when it was Reliance, there was no Jio at that time. Okay, in I suppose 2006 or 7 I'm talking about. At that time, their server was hacked at the time of New Year, and all the long distance calls were made free of cost. Okay, so what happened? Because there was high connections that were happening at that time, so their server was down, and because of that there was no tracking of what is the cost of a call, and all the calls were made free because of that. Okay, then information warfare. If you might have known, in in this COVID situation only, we were at war with Nepal. Okay, and at that time, if you go to the black market, I don't advise you to go to the black market. Okay, but on the black market, the Aadhaar card information of our Indian citizens were extracted by the Nepali hackers, and was made available on the black market. Okay, and there were people who were ready to buy our information, but so somebody asked them to whether they are not lying, or they are telling the truth. So what they did was, they have put some, okay, at least 10 to 15 Aadhaar card information of Indian citizens on the black market, just to so that people might trust them, that they have the information, and they have some million records with them for sale. Okay, and the parasitic computing also is known as zombie computing. Okay, anybody knows what is a zombie system? किसी को पता है zombie system क्या होता है? Hello, am I audible? Or everybody sleeping after
नहीं
lunch?
पता,
हाँ?
नहीं पता,
नहीं
पहली बार
पता है
पता ही
zombie.
नहीं है।
Computer students telling me zombie system नहीं पता है. Yes, Rutvik, you were saying something. Rutvik?
मैम मैकेनिकल के है मैम, नहीं पता।
Acha, okay. So zombie systems are nothing but you know what is a zombie, right? They are infected by
zombies
हाँ बोलो अशर क्या बोल रहे
zombies
हो?
brain खाते हैं, कंप्यूटर का ब्रेन
ठीक है
सीपीयू रहता है।
हाँ okay तो basically
गेस कर
they
रहा हूँ मैं।
हाँ correct guess कर रहे हो. Okay, zombies are infected by certain kind of viruses. Okay, so that you know they don't have you know they don't even think before doing something. They kill their beloved ones also. They eat their flesh and all those gory things they do. Okay, but over here when we talk about that in computing terms, okay, zombie systems are those systems that are infected by bots and trojans. Okay, you might be using a कल torrent के बारे में कोई बोल रहा था तो मैंने बोला था I will speak about it later on. Right, so basically when I'm using torrent, okay, you should always एक उसका एक फाइल होगा जो भी तुम सपोज आई एम डाउनलोडिंग अ बुक फ्रॉम टॉरेंट. ओके, तो उसका एक फाइल होगा डॉट पीडीएफ एंड उसके साथ ना 2-3 और अटैच्ड फाइल्स होते हैं. Right, so make sure to uncheck them because you don't know what lies in those files. Sometimes you know the .exe files get downloaded with it, and when we try to open the PDF file, that exe file is run with it. Okay, and when it runs in the background, what happens, the computer ka control, your computer is being controlled by somebody who created that bot or who created that particular malware or trojan. And now when you are using your system, you feel it is your system, but it all the internet activities, whatever activities you are doing, and all your logs are being sent to that person. And when the time comes, okay, that person can use your system, okay, to attack somebody else. Like I said, Morris worm, it infected a lot of systems online, and the attacker, what he did was at one time in the month, he started attacking whitehouse.gov. Okay, so what happened, White House was down because there were millions and millions of requests that were sent from PCs all over the world, and so the that particular website went down. Okay, so zombie system or parasitic systems are those systems that are being compromised. Okay, you don't know that they are compromised, but they are compromised. So you should have an antivirus program or a total protection for your system, so that your system, even for your mobile phones, I recommend that you have your because nowadays there are malwares for your phones as well. Okay, that can even the mobile what you can say bank transactions are done by phones, right? So it becomes very important for us to actually have a antivirus program for our phones or any electronic device that we are using, okay, to do some confidential transactions or something like that. Okay, so then we come to computer related thing. Okay, intellectual property privacy is one. Okay, IPR, or you can say patents. Okay, patents ka, and then the copyrights of the books or research papers. Then online gambling also comes over here. On gambling is not allowed in India. Okay, but there are online gamblings that happen and people actually do the gambling. Okay, so that is also not allowed. So crime to do online gambling. Okay, then e-auction scams. Okay, there are so many auction scams that happen that there are different what you can say, antique things that are made available online on the auction
Ma'am,
sites. Huh?
Dream 11 is also kind of a gambling thing, no?
Yes.
So why is it legal?
but there are categories, actually वो rules है बहुत सारे. Okay, when we go to the laws and that, okay, we will read, okay, like even वो तीन पत्ती and all those stuff, okay, you actually gamble money, but they are like what you can say, leisure games के category के अंदर आता है वो, तो इसीलिए it is not considered in gambling. Okay, there
बट
are,
गैम्बलिंग भी तो गेम्स के ऊपर ही होता है.
हाँ, I know
लाइक
that, but there are
ड्रीम इलेवन इज लाइक कंप्लीट गैम्बलिंग. और तीन पत्ती वो तो अलग है. ड्रीम इलेवन इज लाइक ओनली वी मतलब पैसा लगाता है टीम्स के ऊपर.
but I will surely get back to this point. Okay, मैं इसको explain करूँगी जब हम लोग laws पढ़ेंगे ना, तो you will come to know, क्योंकि there are different sections that allow some part and they don't allow some part. तो जो allowed है उसके अंदर ये सारे gambling you can say games में आते हैं ये लोग, ये particular apps, so that's why they are allowed. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then coming to the small impact bulk fraud, okay, that happened on Twitter. Twitter पे जो अभी हुआ था, okay, that was what small impact bulk fraud. Small impact का मतलब क्या होता है कि यानी you were asked for a small amount of money. ऐसा नहीं कि तुम्हारे बैंक से lakhs of rupees वो मांग रहा था. It was asking you for some 1,000 rupees or dollars, $1,000 or $2,000 something, right? Okay, so that is a small amount. Okay, या और वो जो उसको मिला पैसे, okay, that was millions or billions of dollars that he got, right? So that means that small and even sometimes you might see कि banks भी क्या करते पता है, when they give you the interest, okay, for a yearly amount that is stored on your bank account, what happens is अगर there are sometimes वो जो point के बाद जो amount होता है ना, यानी 001, ठीक है, सपोज मेरे अकाउंट से ना इतना रुपया कटा, ठीक है, तो क्या होता है अगर इतना रुपया कटेगा मेरे अकाउंट से, या सपोज करो मेरे व्हाट यू कैन से फोन से कटेगा अगर इतना पैसा ना, तो आई डोंट माइंड बिकॉज 0.01 इज नथिंग फॉर मी, बट व्हेन आई मल्टीप्लाई इट विथ millions, okay, millions I'm talking about, when I multiply it with millions, okay, क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे, it is becoming a very large amount. Getting it? So this is known as a small impact bulk fraud. Okay, there are some apps also, okay, Chinese apps, that what they do is they deduct some amount, okay, from your what you can say prepaid wallet or something like that, and that particular amount we don't even consider. Okay, we don't consider this amount, but जो ये है scammer है और the frauder है, उसके पास तो कितना रुपए जा रहे हैं when I multiply, just imagine. Okay, so that is what we mean by small impact bulk fraud. Okay, and then coming to the obscenity of content related thing, okay, then the cyber sex and cyber pimping that happens online, okay, that is what you can say the part of the obscenity group. Even there are in the deep dark webs, okay, in the dark web you have pain rooms created, and in that rooms there are people who actually, there are sadist people who pay people online, okay, to cut themselves so that they can see them bleeding, and they ask them to do certain kind of act, so they, I don't know how they feed from the pain, but they actually do that. Okay, so those things also come under this. Okay, then content related with violence, online brainwashing. You might have heard about the Blue Whale game. Okay, they brainwashed children, and even there are different websites where, hello, कोई कुछ बोल रहा है? Okay, so there are websites wherein this brainwashing happens, okay, for the teens basically, and they they try to make them to talk about the bombing, and they talk about the drugs and make them feel that it's okay to do such kind of things. And they brainwash them so much that they start hating their own beloved ones, okay, and they start hating everything else, and they only have that particular motive in mind to destroy something or something like that, okay. Or there are targeted hate speeches that happens, okay, online. There are, you might see the hate speeches that our politicians also do. One politician is trying to give a hate speech against other, and this happens, and what it is creating is, it is creating hatred among different sects and religions, okay. That shouldn't happen, but because of online things that are happening, okay, it is creating bifurcation among the citizens. So we should know better, and we should avoid all those stuffs. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll stop over here, and because it's already 1 hour ka lecture, and it's past 3, so we'll stop over here. I'll quickly share the attendance with you guys. Just a second. Any doubt till here? Any?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. I'll just a second.
Ma'am, Meet has an automatic attendance feature, na? So
No, it doesn't.
why-
It has to be activated, but I don't know, something has happened and it isn't working for me, my system. It was working prior, but now actually it is not working. So that's why I have to take the attendance in the Google form. The Google actually the collector was working, but right now I don't know, something is wrong. Even I'm trying right now for that. It is not showing me everybody's attendance. So only 23 names it is showing me. Just a second.
Ma'am, you have recorded the meeting now, so you can pass us the link after uploading on Drive. We can refer whenever we have any doubts.
Okay, fine. I will upload the recording. Okay, and even I'll be uploading the what you can say,
PPT.
the PPT on the classroom. Okay, those who have joined today, join the classroom. Okay, is there anybody who's new to the class and hasn't joined the classroom? Kindly join it. Okay,